So hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to clear cache on Safari, the browser of iOS. Before we get started, in short, what is cache? Cache is something which is kept by the browsers on our devices, in this case the iPad, so that it can serve you the images or the videos or any kind of elements much faster compared to it has to go back to the server or go back to the internet and then bring that object back to you. So it saves those most required things on your iPad. Sometimes if you do not clean them, it slows down the overall performance of the iPad as well as the browser, but that's not the case every single time. So let's see how it's done. So first of all, you can search for settings icon or go to settings. So here is my settings, so I'll click that, and in settings you will be presented with this screen, which is mostly general, or your personal screen, which has all the personal information. So here you need to search for apps, which is on the left bottom corner over here. So I'll select that, and in this you can click on the left hand side, which is a telephone directory kind of system, S, which is a bookmark of letters basically, and in S you need to click on Safari. Here scroll at the very bottom and click on Advanced. In here there is a first option which is website data, and click in there, and here you have all the cache. How do you come to know this is a cache? Now for example, gstatic.com is a Google domain which serves caching elements. That is how you come to know. So this is just an example to make you understand that what caching is and how it is served. Now you can see the second last entry from the bottom, it's Google APIs, which is a programming interface, and Google stores that on your local laptop or machine or iPad, and the cost of saving it is 1.3 megabytes. So sometimes if you have any problems, or if something is not working properly, you can come here and then remove all website data and click on remove, and everything will be gone. So this is how you clean or clear cache on Safari browser. Thank you for watching.